This is the Huawei Watch GT2e hands-on and quick review. But before that guys, please make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more notifications and for more tech reviews. Huawei just recently launched their new smartwatch, which is the Huawei Watch GT2e, and currently is still pre-order here in UAE with a price tag of 599 dirhams or 6,990 pesos in the Philippines.
Sorry, it's DJ.
So first, let's talk about the design. Basically, it is almost similar to the previous model, which is the Huawei Watch GT2 with 1.39 inches AMOLED display with vivid color, 46mm dimension, metallic body, 454 by 454 pixel screen resolution, and with fluoro-elastomer straps. So design-wise, guys, it's awesome. It's super cool. And this watch is mostly designed for sports personality. There is two buttons from the right side. The upper one is for power option and mode launcher, and lower button is for function or shortcut for workout mode. And at the bottom, here are the heart rate sensor and the charging connector of the watch. For color options, it has four amazing designs, which is graphite black, lava red, mint green, and icy white. But for me, I really like the mint green because it looks so refreshing with matte finish silver bezel design.
Sorry, it's DJ.
In terms of features guys, it has 200 plus watch faces available now, which is you can download in the Huawei Health apps. And also, you can set your favorite photos as a watch faces, and you can customize the styles and the layout for better design. And for health monitoring, you can monitor your sleep quality and breathing patterns in real time with Huawei True Sleep. Analyze your sleep patterns and accurately diagnose 6 types of sleeping problems, and etc. And for heart rate monitoring, just click this and you can set a different options here like smart or real-time heart rate monitoring, and you can enable the alerts if your heart rate is getting high or low, depends on your heart rate range. And even stress level you can monitor here, and it will automatically measure your stress levels based on fluctuations of your heart rate. And here are the options for the workout mode that you can choose from, like running, outdoor walk, indoor cycling, open water, hike, triathlon, and etc. You can also put up to 500 songs in your Huawei watch and pair it in any Bluetooth devices and play your music on the go. You can save also up to 10 favorite contacts for easy access, alarms, and smart notifications for your messages, Facebook, WhatsApp, and other applications. And the best features of this watch is you can use up to 2 weeks of battery of normal usage because it used the Huawei Kirin A1 chipset for better power efficiency, and can use as a remote control for taking photos and Find My Phone features. 580M water resistant, which is up to 50 meters underwater. You can use indoor or outdoor. With female health management that can help you to record the period and remind you when it is expected to start. You can turn on and off this function on Huawei Health app. So guys, that's it. That is my hands-on and quick review of the new Huawei Watch GT2e. What's your opinion guys? Just comment down below. But please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more notifications and for more tech review. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you tomorrow. Peace out.